Hi guys, this is Tim with Tim's Permaculture Homestead. Kind of tired, a little bit out of breath. I made so many trips all over the place. I just wanted to give a quick update, show what this back garden looks like. And before we get to there, look at these hazelnut trees or bushes. I guess they're bushes. They're doing pretty good considered. I've never fertilized them at all or anything. Yeah, I've showed them before. This is a redbud tree. It's got seed pods on it, so I might be able to start some more redbud trees. Well, I've been working back here most of the day. It's so wet, the only way to get the compost that was way over there in front of the barn here was to carry in buckets. So there's probably about 50 or 60 buckets more of compost that I put around these potatoes. And I just now took a hoe and spread it out. The potatoes were over a foot tall. Even with the compost, that one's probably a foot and a half tall right there. So they're looking pretty good. They're looking very good. Well, they should with all this compost. Then I took my scythe. I cut a bunch of grass, and yeah, it's full of seeds. But you know what? Look at this stuff. Look at that. That's all spike grass. Every bit of it. It just really doesn't matter. But I was putting the grass mulch around the tomatoes here. These are San Marzano, and I've started tying some of them up, but these, I don't think these are indeterminate. I think these are determinate, because they're not growing very tall. They're staying pretty low to the ground. But I do have indeterminate tomatoes that I will have to tie up. Just haven't been able to get to it. The sweet potatoes are looking pretty good. Over here I've got the thing I do like about this grass in the aisleways in the row, between the rows, is you can walk on it. And we've had so much rain. We've had unbelievable rain. I tell you what, never in my life have I ever seen so much rain. But you know, this is built up right here, so I do have some drainage, so thank God for that. So I've got some cucumbers and melons and stuff planted here, and see, the weeds took over in a lot of this, so I need to mulch it with grass clippings. Just haven't been able to get there yet. I did mulch. These are pepper plants. They're here. Very tiny plant with a big pepper on it. That'll probably cause it to fall over. Well, I mulched this. Some of these peppers are just yellow. I didn't expect that planted in horse manure. Maybe the wood chips that's in it is robbing nitrogen from them. I don't know. These beans are starting to look a little bit better. They still haven't started vining yet, so I'll need to put some poles here and figure out some kind of way to trellising to let them climb up the trellis. Forgot what this is. Planned it from my mom. It's I'll get back to it. I can't remember anything anymore. That is a yellow squash there, and this is another row of Missouri Wonder pole beans. Got nasturtiums there. They're looking better. Zinnias. I don't know what all. But I just thought I'd show that. Okra. This is okra, guys. A row of okra. we'll see how that does. I've never grown it before. Like I said, I got this big pile. I just put this here. Just picked it up and put it here, and this is to do some mulching. I'll probably start off with and mulch them potatoes, and I won't have to worry about them for a while. I think I got them pretty well taken care of. Anyway, guys, it's already 6 minutes long almost, this video. Have a great week, and God bless, and hope your gardens are looking great, and well, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.